So it's done. One more trade is closed. We have around $350 on the account. Done. One more profitable trade. We have around $663 on the account. This looks really tasty. Trade for today. This is Euro TRI currency pair, and as you can see, now price is ready to break through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel. That's why we have opened our sell position, wasting our whole amount of money in this trade, $100. Our initial deposit was just $100, but I'm sure we will do our best to pump it as much as possible. Moreover, why did I open this trade? Because also according to the Aaron oscillator, we have a huge divergence in the volumes, which is showing us that the sellers are now prevailing on the market. That's why we have opened this trade, and as you can see, each time, each new candle, we were getting closer and closer to the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, showing that we are almost ready to break through it, and we finally have done this. So now just like several seconds left, and this trade will be closed with profit. As you can see right now, we have $192 on the account. Okay, let's proceed further. We're going in the flat channel. We have touched the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel, and now we're receiving a very nice pullback. We are receiving a very nice pullback reaction from it. Price is growing, and we are almost breaking through the middle line of the channel. And if we succeed to break through this middle line, we'll continue growing up to the upper edge of this channel. So it's done. One more trade is closed. We have around $350 on the account. Let's continue, guys. Is retesting the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, but unsuccessfully. We failed to get back above the middle line, and price is receiving nice pullback reaction, starting going down. That's why we have opened sell position, wasting our whole deposit in this trade, because I'm absolutely sure in it. As you can see, during today's trading session, I am wasting my whole deposit, and I'm using only short time period for each trade in order to save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Done. One more profitable trade. We have around $663 on the account. This looks really tasty. Let's continue. Here we were trying to break through the middle line. All of the attempts were unsuccessful, but now let me try at least to open the sell position. I see the huge divergence of the volumes in the Aaron oscillator. So that's why, yep, I wanted risk. I have opened sell position here, and let's see where this will bring me. So it's done. We have $1,300. Let's continue. Let me open buy position here. We were trying to break through the middle line. We retested it, but unsuccessfully, and according to the master belt strategy, I'm sure that we'll receive a very nice pullback reaction right now, so that's why I have opened sell position. By the way, my friends, while you're watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TJ, where you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. And yep, several seconds left. Done. Oh my goodness, $2,500. This looks really sweet. But let's continue. I want more. I don't know what to open. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking, and you know what, guys? I have opened sell position here. The NZD. Very nice situation. According to the master balance strategy, we need exactly open sell position here, and I did it. Then we have 4,500, $696, around $4,700. That's crazy, guys. Oh my goodness. I just realized how many money we have done. So we started with just $100 and we made 47 times more just within 7 minutes. This looks really crazy. So guys, what I want to tell you? Be happy, work hard, open description to this video, subscribe to my private TG, get the best stuff ever, and get your millions. I'm very proud of all of my subscribers. See you guys. Welcome to my TG.